quick, hey, this is Harold from Giant Loop. Here's a quick overview of everything I was carrying on my 1,300 mile back roads, forest roads journey through Southern Oregon and Northern California. I think I could be out for a month or more with this amount of gear. Sleeping bag, tent, pad, poles, pegs, chair. That's a real luxury. I didn't need to bring it, but it was nice. Stove, pot, spoon, fork, knife, headlamp, flask, silly pint, survival kit, air compressor, plug kit, jump start battery, which got used on the trip, jump starting a boat at Lake of the Woods, extra pronghorn straps, chain lube, a water bag, some food, pack towel, a little emergency hydration, bushwhackers, which also didn't get used. My benchmark map of Oregon did get used. Spare tube, nuts and bolts, duct tape, all my tools, tow strap, battery charger, chargers and cords of various kinds, spare gloves, lens cleaning kit, snacks, chewing gum, pads, wipes, tissues, waterproof cell phone case, which went in my Mob Armor mount on the handlebars, knives, some fresh apricots, glasses, insect repellent, beanie, cap, bandana, hiking shoes, swim trunks, souvenir t-shirt from Humboldt County, Highway 36. Thanks, Uncle David. Shorts, 2 quick drying base layer shirts, waterproof socks. These also did not get used on this trip, thankfully. My toiletries bag, neck gaiter, balaclava, long johns, wool top, fleece top, spare socks, and that's pretty much it. That's the kit for my multi-day 1,300 mile journey through Southern Oregon and Northern California. Go light, go fast, go far. Thanks for riding with Giant Loop.